Hello. In other videos you have learned that the server sends a set of instructions to the browser so that the website can be built and presented within the browser. You have also learned that Google sends out little robots to read those instructions and inform Google as to what the site is all about. In this video, we are going to go a little deeper into those instructions so that you can see whether those instructions are actually helping you or hurting you. So, the first thing we have to do is find out how to look at the source code. Go to a blank part of the website, right-click, which brings up a menu, and then click on View Source. That will bring up a page that will look something like this. The first thing you look for are the green words that are the instructions to Internet Explorer. Now, Internet Explorer is not a very good browser. In fact, it's rubbish. But as it comes free with Windows, lots and lots of people use it. But it has the habit of ignoring instructions or not understanding them. And so, in order to make your website present properly, new instructions have to be given. Now, this site is showing the instructions for Internet Explorer 6 and 7. But of course, there have been updates since then, and what you should be looking for is something like this, which covers Internet Explorer 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. If these instructions to Internet Explorer are not present, then you run the risk of your site not looking very good on Internet Explorer. The next thing you look for is the meta tag called description, and the content, which is highlighted here, is what appears in the search engine results. You are allowed 160 characters, but this site is only using 90. The tag above is keywords, but Google now ignores these, and so you should have in your description keywords that are relevant to your site. You should then look for images, and each image on your site has an alt tag and a title tag. These are in fact empty, which is a shame because Google cannot see an image. It relies upon a description, and that description should appear in the Alt tab. Here are 4 pictures, and you can see that the first one is about ants, but the Alt is simply image. That tells Google absolutely nothing. The name of the picture is pics/home, and the Alt is image. The same is true of the other 3 examples. It doesn't tell Google what the image is actually about. So your images should be named properly, have a good description in the Alt tab, and be given a title. That way Google knows exactly what your image is about and whether it is relevant to the rest of the page. Finally, you should be looking for weird stuff. Here is some code that is obviously encrypted. Now, this may be because you are using some encrypted software on your site and the designer doesn't want it copied, and so the program is encrypted. But there could be a sinister reason why this code appears, as it is not unknown for some webmasters to put encrypted code onto a site, thereby preventing you from ever moving away from that particular webmaster. I am not suggesting that that happens in every case, but it is something that if you see weird code on your page, you should certainly ask for an explanation. So, in this video, you have learned how to find the source code and some basic things that you can look for to make sure that they are present or not, as the case may be. Are you giving instructions to Internet Explorer so that your site renders properly? Is your description the correct length? You have 160 characters to use, so are you using them properly and effectively? Are your images properly named and described in the alt tags? And are there any funny codes on your website? My thanks for watching.